Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you a simple way to remove in Imhart Russwin Mortise lock from a door. And this is the outside side of the door, and this is the inside part of the door. The outside, of course, that bears the cylinder and the handle here, and this is the inside, which has the handle has always been free. Okay, so in order to remove this mortise lock from a door, you have bear in mind, for DIYs and for those new locksmith, that to remove this lock here, you have to remove first the cylinder and the handle in order to extract this lock. And to remove this cylinder, you have to start from removing this piece plate. Okay, you have to remove the two screws here that is existing. Okay, remove the face plate. Now you can see there is a retaining screw there that hold this rim cylinder. If the two rim cylinder exist, then there is another one here, but as of now there is only one rim cylinder, so the screw here. So loosen it up. You don't need to remove it fully. All you have to do is just loosen it up to free the rim cylinder. Okay, just extract it maybe 1/4 of an inch, and then this is already free. Okay, turn it clockwise. Now the rim cylinder is removed, and now the next step is to remove the handle. And this kind of old mortise Imhart Russwin, there is a screw here. There is a retaining screw here for the handle that exists only on the inside part of the door. So this is the inside part and this is the outside part. There is no screw on this handle here. This is solid attached to the bar. Okay, so if the lock is installed correctly, you have to always start from the inside in removing the handle. And here is the retaining screw here. You can remove that by an Allen wrench. Okay, this is a pin type screw. See that? This that holds the handle there. Take the handle out, and you see there is a hole here that this retaining screw goes into it to lock it. Alright, this is a good one. Now you cannot remove the handle right away, right? Because of this, which is big from the part of the inside of this mechanism. So you have to remove this pin here. Yeah, once it is detached, you can take it out. You see that? And then after you remove this, now you can pull out this handle from the outside. Okay, now in order to remove this handle, sometimes this is very tight, you know. For the long time it has been there, it has already been corroded from the thread, and it's difficult to remove it. You can use this modification. If you are working with a visor, you always have a spanner like this, and just cut it from the side here, and it's shaped like this. It's shaped because you have to insert this part here in the small hole on this handle and turn it. Okay, so let's look for the handle, for the hole here. I could feel the hole is here, so yeah, okay, it catches now. Turn it clockwise. Okay, now it become loose. Take it out. Now there is a two retaining screw again on this handle that holds the outside part of this lock, so you have to remove that also. That's one. That's two. Okay, so now we can remove this, and also we can remove the outside part of the handle. Okay, see that? So it has been taken out now. Now what left is the mechanism, the housing and the mechanical parts of this M-Heart Russwin. So now we can conclude that by removing these two screws, now we can now remove the lock, the whole lock itself, the whole mortise lock. Alright, so that's how to remove an M-Heart, an old M-Heart Russwin mortise lock. This kind of lock is, even though it's old, still it's quite a strong one, and I think it's inexpensive. And this type of lock has a push button from the side which lock the handle from the outside, and this one unlocks the it become a passage lock. And this kind of lock is with a deadlock here, in which this one cannot be extracted, but it can be extracted from the handle inside. This is a good kind of lock. So that's how to remove an M-Heart mortise lock from a door front, and I hope this will give a little info for those who is starting being a locksmith, and those also who is becoming a good DIYs people. Okay, thanks for watching and good day.